Hello, welcome to AppWiz. Are you having a problem where the new iPhone flashlight animation is not showing on iPhone? When you turn on the flash, well, in this video, we're going to explain to you why that's happening. So this new flashlight animation is available for newer iPhone models that have the dynamic island at the top of their screen. So this new flash animation will be exclusive to these devices, which you see on the list, because all of these iPhones have the dynamic island, and Apple chose to add the new flash animation for these. So the new flash will be available for the iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max, all of the iPhone 15 models, as well as the newest iPhone 16 models. So it will be available for the regular 15 and 16 iPhones. All you have to do is to go over to your settings, then go over to General Software Update, and then make sure that your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS 18 version. If you didn't see this new flash animation, then you were probably on iOS 17, so you will have to update to iOS 18 because this animation is a new feature which Apple has added. And sadly, if you don't have the iPhone model from the list, then this new flashlight won't be available for your device, and you'll have the old version because Apple chose not to add this to older iPhones.